Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonam and today I'll unbox and review the My Envy box. Envy box needs no introduction. It's one of the oldest luxury beauty subscriptions in India, priced at rupees 850 including shipping per month. But you can get it for just rupees 700 or even lesser, and I will let you know how towards the end of the video. So stay tuned till the end, but first let's get started with the unboxing.
Please click the red subscribe button and the tiny little bell button right next to it so that you don't miss any of my videos.
So this is how the package has reached me. As usual, we have this white outer cardboard box. And here is the super pretty My Envy box. It has a beach kind of print or pattern on it with shells and all. Looks so nice. It has a pastel kind of color combination. Very pretty. Matches a bit with my nail paint. I really like it. Envy boxes are always so pretty, so beautiful. I just can't get over them. And it is having a magnetic closure as usual. A very nice and sturdy box. Once we open, we have the info card and the shockproofing, and here are all the products. So let's just dig into it. Moving on to the products, the first one here is by the brand Haircare, one of my favorites, and this is the Sun Shield Face Sunscreen of SPF 50. Ultra light texture, non-greasy touch, free from sulfate, parabens, silicones and mineral oil. What more can you ask in a box during summertime? And SPF 50 is something I would highly appreciate, especially from an organic brand. It's a 55 ml tube. It has a nice and easy pump dispenser. And the cost of this is 895 rupees, guys. It is way more than the price of the box itself. Expiry is in December 2019, and here are a lot of details about the product, its claims and how to use, directions, etc. The entire ingredients list is also mentioned right here. If you want, you can pause and go through it. I really like this brand. I have used their toner, their face wash and many other products from this brand. Not a sunscreen, but I'm very happy to receive this. If there is one product that I can use during summertime, like if I have a constraint of using only one product, I will choose a sunscreen. So this is the most essential product. I am definitely very happy to receive it. And then the next product is, in my opinion, the star product. This is why I got this box. This is from the Plum Skin and Hair Food. It's a vitamin C serum, daily dose of vitamin C to boost collagen and skin elasticity. 50 ml huge serum, guys. I have not seen a serum bottle of 50 ml this huge. It's like a full-size product. Serums are like 15 ml, 10 ml, 20 ml sizes. This is huge, so I'm very happy with this. And here are the ingredients mentioned: jojoba oil, oil-soluble vitamin C, orange essential oil, lemon essential oil, bergamot, lemongrass and vitamin E. They're against animal testing, no parabens or sulfates, used within 12 months on opening, and again the MRP of this product is way more than the box price. It's 950 rupees and it has a serum like drop dispenser. This is how the product looks like. Let's just see how it is. It has a oil kind of consistency. Has a bergamot cum citrusy fragrance, so a mix of sour citrusy and bergamot fragrance, and you just need a single drop for your entire face, so this is going to last a long time. I love vitamin C serums. They make your skin even toned, they brighten your face, makes all the dullness go away, and even if you have some hyperpigmentation and some spots and all, it kind of lightens the spots and reduces all that. I love using such products and I'm very hopeful that this will work very well. So these are the two skincare products. Then we have something for the hair, and this is by Plant Magic. This is the natural hair vitalizer with plant bioactives. Controls dandruff and hair loss, so this is also something that will work for me. I do have an issue of hair loss. It's 100 ml full size again, and here are all the details about the product and the ingredients you can see right here. Cost of this again is 900 rupees, more than the box price, and used before 36 months from date of manufacture, which is April 2018. So very freshly manufactured. So this basically is like a hair serum. So you can just use 2 to 3 drops of it after a shower on your hair, and it will smoothen your hair and give it the natural nourishment. Or if you want a deep therapy for your hair, you can use it overnight as well. This is a new brand, but it seems very promising. I'm definitely looking forward to it. All the brands that I have received or discovered through NB Box were good, so I have good faith on this too. Then for the makeup this month, we have an Blue product, and this is the Precision Liquid Eyeliner in the shade Ebony Black. It has net ml of 2.5 grams and MRP is 499 rupees. Best before is 3/2019. So this is how the felt tip applicator is. It's not a brush, it is like a flexible tip. So it really helps you in giving a nice, fine, precise application. This is how the swatch looks like. It is jet black, like completely pitch black. So I really like the pigmentation and the color payoff. It is drying pretty fast, as you can see, and once it's dried, it is completely smudge proof. It does not smudge at all, so I am very impressed with the quality. I have loved the kohl and the mascara from this brand. I did not try the eyeliner, and I'm really happy to have received it. It is an amazing product. I loved it. I really loved it. And then there was a Mother's Day offer this month, using which you can get this COCCOON Insta Lift Wrinkle Filler with Vitamin E. It's a 20-gram full-size product again, worth 1,000 rupees, I believe. Yeah, it's for 999 rupees. Manufactured in 6/2016. And here are all the ingredients mentioned. Best before is 36 months, so till 6/2019. And here are the claims and the directions for use. So this is something that will instantly kind of remove your wrinkles or make it disappear or make it less visible at least. So this is how the packaging is. It is a clear kind of gel, as you can see. So this is basically like a primer. You can use it as a primer as well below your makeup. I have used a COCCOON day cream, like an all-in-one cream, and a night serum, and they were both really good from the Eternal Youth range. So I'm definitely happy to receive this. So those are all the products in my May My Envy box. Let's have a look at the leaflets and the info cards they have sent. So first they have sent this card that says protect your skin, what UV rays are doing to your skin, and all the details about the ChronoCare product we have received. There is a coupon code too, so you can get 200 off on this particular sunscreen, which I feel is pretty good. It is around 900 rupees or something. Yeah, it's 895, so you will get this for 695 rupees when you repurchase this from their website. So pretty good. And this is the info card. This is the Resort Edition May Beauty box, and the Blue liquid eyeliner. The makeup in the box is for 499 rupees. The Plump Vitamin C Serum is for 950 rupees. Plant Magic Hair Care product is for 900 rupees. There is a coupon code too, 20% off, and ChronoCare product we read as 895 rupees. We have a coupon code for this too. So the total worth of all these come to around 3,250. But we have this free product too, which is for around 1,000 rupees. So the total worth of all that I have received is 4,250. So savings wise, it is huge. Considering that we have such amazing products, I truly love this box. It's a blockbuster box for me, loaded with so many amazing products. I literally loved each and every product. Sunscreen with SPF 50 and Vitamin C Serum. They are my top favorites, because they are from amazing brands and the best products to get in summertime. I have got sunscreens in many other subscriptions too, but this is the one I'm gonna use on my face next, because it's from a brand I love and it's SPF 50. And I was actually looking for a good vitamin C serum. I would have bought the box only for this serum, to be honest. And then the makeup product was also good. I like the Blue Kajal a lot, and even this seems very promising from the swatch. Their products are quite good, so I'm definitely super happy with the makeup product too. An essential makeup product it is, but in a way it's good to get an eyeliner this time rather than the usual kajal or kohl which we have been receiving. So I am very happy with it. The hair care product is also from a luxury brand, quite expensive, and has very good claims, so I am hopeful that it will work well. If you're getting the free product from COCCOON, it's like Sone Pe Suhaga. You have a very nice gift for your mom too around Mother's Day. And if you're getting wrinkles already, then use it yourself. It's a really good product. So all in all, it's a very amazing curation with needed products from good brands and a very pretty box. I'll surely recommend this box. I did like it a lot. It is surely value for money. If you're not sure already whether you want to buy this, let me share some coupon codes which will make this box totally irresistible. Well, I am very impressed with the May edition of My Envy box. If you felt the same and are interested in ordering it, then all details including the website link and the coupon codes are mentioned in the description box below. So make sure you check it out. You'll also find the links to the giveaways running on my channel. If you haven't already, please do check them out and participate. It's very simple. All you need to do is subscribe to my channel and you can win some amazing boxes. So don't miss your chance. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then please don't forget to give this video a like and some love in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. It's absolutely free, guys, and you will be making someone truly happy. So that's all for today. I'll see you again next time. Till then, take care. Bye.